How to connect your TikTok to Facebook. First thing first, you have to make sure that your application TikTok and Facebook is up to date. Once you have the latest version, firstly open your TikTok app. You have to make sure that you are logged into your account that you want to connect to Facebook. Now head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. In here, what you want to do is, you have to copy your username. In order to do so, simply tap on your username and it will be copied. Once you have copied your username, now you have to go back and head over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen and then move into your profile. Click on Edit Profile. Scroll all the way down and the option of Edit Links will be visible to you. Simply tap on Add. As the TikTok is a social media app, click on Add Social Link. And then you have to select the platform as TikTok. Now in the section of username, paste the username that you have just copied. And then tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on Save, your TikTok will be connected to Facebook and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can connect your TikTok to Facebook. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.